Hello viewers, welcome to Dime Investor channel. Today I talk about one stock I'm really bullish about today. I would say not only me, there's too many information, too many news coming out in the market at the moment, and the stock price gone down because of the loss of the people panicking to buy this kind of stock. But most of the value investors like Ray Dalio, Charlie Munger and Bailey Gifford and Monish Pabarai, they're buying this stock. So I did my due diligence, and from my point of view I can see this company growing rapidly. The revenue is increasing every single year, they're making profit. And beside this one, this is not a US or UK stock, it is a Chinese stock. If you think about any company in the whole world growing rapidly and exponentially, it is Amazon. I'm not talking about Amazon today. Anyway, I want to cover a similar stock, which is Chinese Amazon, Alibaba. I think everybody knows about Alibaba, AliExpress. So Alibaba and AliExpress actually is the core holding of Alibaba. In this Alibaba company have lots of small companies and lots of other companies also included, like Amazon. Amazon is not only selling the products of transporting the products to your door, they're doing lots of other things as well. Same, Alibaba is one of the big market player at the moment in the whole world, international market and in the Chinese market as well. And if you follow the trend at the moment, the China economy is growing so much every single year, and we're expecting like 2030 or 2035 maybe their GDP and their growth gonna exceed US economy as well. So in that sense, I want to focus on the stock, which one leading in the Chinese market, which is Alibaba. So at the moment, because of the Chinese government policies, lots of people buying and selling the stocks at the moment. They're thinking, oh, what's going on? There's some catch in there because you're not holding or buying straight away a stock from Chinese stock market. There's a way you buying a contract through another company to get the Alibaba, but still it's listed on New York Stock Exchange. I think Chinese government don't want to lose the money and investment what the international market from US and UK and other countries, the people who are investing in the market for the Chinese stock, they need the money definitely. And after this Evergrande situation, financially is a bit difficulties they're facing at the moment, so they're not gonna, I think, put new more policies that can hard more in Alibaba. So let's go dive into the Alibaba stock chart. Okay, I share the screen now to you guys. So at the moment, if I go to the Alibaba price point, PE Alibaba at the moment is 17.64, which is really cheap because it's below 20. So if you think about any company you want to buy, a PE is a very important factor if you know about it. If I compare to the Amazon to Alibaba, Amazon's PE at the moment sitting on a 57 at the moment. If you check the Alibaba in the last 1 year, they reduced the price gone down like 48%. In the last 5 years, the revenue growth was really good, but the price of the stock didn't move anywhere. So there's a huge discrepancy between the stocks and the price of the company. So actually lots of big value investors say that actually if you want to know about the company, don't look at the price or what the price they're selling about the company, look at what the company doing. So I'm focusing on that one at the moment. I want, because I can see every single year Alibaba doing good, and I'm going to show you in the chart at the moment. By the chart you can see here is 48% undervalued. If I jump into the past performance, what they did in last 5 years, the growth was 30.4, which is really good. Such a big company. I'm saying such a big company because the market cap of the company is 402 billion, which is not a joke. Such a big company still growing on 30.4 is really very good. You can't find this kind of company very often. And if you check the future growth, still the analyst is estimating the future growth going to be 13.2 every single year. And if you check the previous what they did, revenue and earning, they're growing very nice and smooth and steady and keep doing good. And the past performance as well, if you look last 5 years how they did, just I don't need to say anything actually. If you look at the graph, you can see like how good they're doing at the moment. They're doing extremely well. And when I want to invest in any company, I need to always try, and I prefer to look in the financial health. So when I'm looking at the financial health, I can see is very good financial health that Alibaba whole share, which is really less, and 13.6%, and also reduced last 5 years from 30 to 13.6. And if you actually check about their financial stability, they can pay this debt anytime if they want. And operating cash flow debt coverage is actually 140%, which is really amazing. They don't pay any dividend at the moment, but they do have some a share buyback, and they increased that one very much in this year. And I think there's a dip there, so definitely they're going to buy more of the shares, and so more shares they're buying back, so the less share will be in the market, the price appreciation will be better, so I'll have a bigger slice if they do the share buyback. So that's really good. So I jump into the holdings now. Who holding the stocks, what the big dogs are doing, hedge funds and stuff. So if I go to the hedge fund, I can see most of them, the top holders. BlackRock increased their position, Vanguard increased their position because stock price gone down. If you know Bailey Gifford, he increased his positions very big as well. He holding a 1.75% of the company, but he still increased his position of the company. So if I check into the analyst estimate, what the analyst actually thinking about the Alibaba at the moment, so they're saying 256 at the moment is the average price of the company, and Alibaba at the moment on the market is 148, something like this, and low is 190. So we are sitting at the low at the moment, so it's a good time to buy. I prefer to buy stock in that position because I got a nice marginal safety there. It can go more down, but there is still safety there. It's not going to go that much down anymore because it's already low. Average is 256 and high side is 336. One more interesting things I want to share here. If you check some of the really legendary investor, Charlie Munger, or not hold that much stock. He only buy those stock which one he want to hold for lifelong. He started buying Alibaba as well, and he increased his position 17.59%. His average price point, what the price he bought the stock, which is like you can see here. I'll show you 1 second. 226 $78 at the moment. Even if you buy the stock at the moment, the price of Alibaba is well cheap while Charlie Munger bought it. So I don't want to make it more long at the moment, the video, if you understand what I'm talking here. So this is a very good stock. Only few times or sometimes you can find this kind of opportunity in a deal in the market. There's a risk about the Chinese policies. Because of this policy, maybe the price can go more down. I'm happy with that because it's a really good company, good investment. I feel from my perspective, it's completely my opinion. It's not a financial advice. I'm not saying you go down there and start buying Alibaba, but what I am doing, I'm just sharing my journey here. I'm trying to nibble in. I already opened a position small, not too much. I only bought a couple of shares, and much less than 2 actually. I'm going to increase my share every single time if I see this price is below this one. So thank you very much for watching me the video, and I do appreciate your time. Please keep watching my videos, and don't forget to press the like button and the bell icon for the new video if I upload. And I really appreciate for being with me and watching my video. It's helped me a lot. Thank you very much. See you with the next video. Bye.